If you've ever spent weeks recording and editing a video, finally hit upload, and watched it sit there with 0 views, I know exactly how that feels. You are absolutely not alone. A lot of new creators treat YouTube like a lottery ticket, hoping they get lucky. But YouTube functions as a data-driven testing machine. Think of the platform as a massive supermarket. The millions of videos uploaded every day are the products sitting on the shelves. And the algorithm? That is the store manager. This manager has one specific job: keep shoppers walking the aisles for as long as possible. The longer people stay in the store, the more ads the platform can show, and the more money they make. The algorithm acts as a business partner. It will actively promote your video to new people, provided your content helps keep viewers engaged on the platform. A common myth is that as soon as you hit publish, your video is immediately blasted out to millions of potential viewers. In reality, the store manager runs a small test first. It takes your new video and places it in front of a very small, specific test group to gauge their reaction. The manager monitors this group closely, grading your video's performance based on 3 specific questions. This initial data acts as a gatekeeper. When a test group responds well, the store manager begins offering your video to larger and larger audiences across the site. The first question the manager asks is the most basic. When someone saw your product on the shelf, did they actually pick it up? In YouTube terms, this is your click-through rate. To see how that math works, imagine YouTube shows your thumbnail to 100 people. If 7 people click, that's a 7% click-through rate. Your titles and thumbnails act as the packaging for the product. They are solely responsible for driving this initial interest. If your packaging fails to secure the click, the algorithm stops pushing the video. The manager simply moves on to products shoppers are touching. Once a viewer clicks, the manager asks the second question: did they actually consume what they bought? If a viewer leaves after 10 seconds, it's a bad sign, but staying for 70% of the runtime signals high quality. YouTube also tracks session watch time, seeing if your video encourages people to continue watching other content. High watch time proves to the algorithm that your video delivers on the promise made by your thumbnail, which keeps the supermarket profitable. Finally, the manager asks a third question: did the viewer leave a good review? Modern YouTube focuses heavily on viewer satisfaction. They prioritize how much a viewer enjoyed the experience over just getting a raw view count. YouTube gathers this data through post-video surveys and quality engagement, like comments and likes, to see if the video genuinely helped or entertained the viewer. Click, watch, and engage. When you fulfill those 3 criteria, you give the algorithm exactly what it needs to promote your channel. Understanding these metrics helps you avoid the ultimate trap for beginners, focusing on making one perfect video instead of focusing on consistency. Spending weeks on a single edit only to see it fail the mini-test often leads to immediate frustration and quitting. Think of your first 20 videos as practice runs. These are the repetitions you need to learn the craft. There is a technical reason for this. The algorithm needs a sufficient volume of data to find your audience. As you upload more, those data points connect into a clear upward trending line that shows the manager who your viewers are. Perfectionism actively starves the algorithm of the data points it needs to begin recommending your channel to the right people. This consistency builds niche authority. When you upload about the same topic repeatedly, you train the algorithm to see you as a reliable source for that specific subject. A regular uploading schedule acts as proof to the store manager that you are a dependable supplier for your specific aisle of the supermarket. YouTube growth favors creators who provide the machine with a steady stream of data. Consistency gives the store manager every